Hello guys, this is my first video for the YouTube. I'm trying to check and replace the blower motor. As you see, I turn on the car, turn on the blower, but there is no voice. You can't hear the air and nothing is blowing. So we are going to check the fuse first, and to check that we're gonna open the fuse box, and here you can see it's a 15 amp fuse for the blower motor. So I have my tester ready, so I turn on the ignition just to check if it's getting any power here. As you see, the fuse is good. So both the fuse are good. Now to reach the blower motor is so inside, so we are going to take this out. We're gonna remove this. I'm gonna show you. Okay, to remove this we need to take out this side flap, and now you see the screw here. We are going to unscrew it. Okay, so we remove that screw and we take this out. There's two ways. Either we can remove this and this both, and then we have more space, or we can just keep it on the side if you don't want to increase too much work. And then we need to take out this metal plate. It have 10 mm screw. We're gonna take out these 4 screws. To make more space, we need to take this out, side flap, and now you can see the screws here. We're gonna take this out too. This is for the heat. We're gonna take this out, this thing. As you can see, it's a screw here for this metal plate, which is blocking this plastic piece to come out. I'm gonna take that out. As you see, there are 2 screws, one here and one at the top. I unscrew both of them, but it's not coming out, so I'm gonna take out this accelerator. But for that I'm gonna take both the sensor out and unscrew this, and there's 2 if you can see, there's 2 screws. I'm gonna take out this accelerator and brake pedal out. Okay, so these are 13 mm screws. Now we're taking out. There's 2 on this side. Okay, so as you can see, I take this out, this brake pedal. Now if you can see this motor here. One screw. So you can see the blower motor. It's only just 1 screw, and we're gonna unplug that terminal first, and we're gonna open the screw. So we unplug the screw, and the motor we just rotate it before we take this out. And here we are taking out the blower motor. So we take out the blower motor. This is the old one, and that's the one I bought from Amazon. It's cheaper there. These are almost same. size. Now we are going to put this one in the car. So like the screw is coming here and we need to twist it, so we are putting going like this so it fit easily. As you see, we put this blow motor back in place, put the screw, put the terminal, and now we're gonna tie that screw. Now we are going to put everything back. The sensor, this metal plate. You see, this have two screws, 1 and 2, and here's 1, 2, 3, and 4 screw on this one, 30 mm. So we're gonna tie them up, put these terminals back. That's for the accelerator, and then we're gonna check the blower. As you can see, I tied all the screws, put the terminal back on the sensor, on the accelerator, and now we're gonna start and check.
Connected.
So start working. The sound too. So I'm gonna start and check if the accelerator is working. Yeah, everything works fine. So the motor is placed properly. Thanks for the video. Please like and share.